welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic of discussion is inferiority complex and how it affects relationships. Inferiority complex is something that it's a kind of inferior way of thinking about others and oneself, about others in the family or outside, and this kind of thinking generates from within, from one's insecurity, from one's lack of confidence in life, so from one's own lack of self esteem, or from one's lack of intelligence, which they know themselves that they are not that much intelligent as compared to those persons around them. So of course they feel inner insecurity, and thus they start to behave like they don't like anyone. They have these negative thoughts about the persons around them. They kind of feel that no one is good for them, or they are the best ones, they should show their best attitudes in life. So they kind of create a shell on themselves about being positive and showing people their power, high positions, and these people tend to hide the negative things of their life and show the good ones in their life. So this way these people try to create jealousy among others. They will show you pictures, they will show you their accessories, they will show you their money, and they will tend to behave like they are the supremacy. They have the supremacy attitudes, and they are the supremes of this world or of this society. And they tend to behave very like they have the best things in their life, and God has gifted them with best things. They have good life, good husband, good children, good wife, good house, good car, everything good. So this is the way they try to create jealousy within others, and try to shade their insecurity inside, their disabilities, whatever they have, emotional disabilities there. These people are generally have very low confidence in themselves, and they thus they try to show people something different which they are not actually. So now how this inferiority complex uh, destroys relationship. It affects, it have a definitely bad impact on relationships, because you can find when two ladies are staying in a home and they are competing with each other. Maybe the one is competing, the other is not. So this way, if the other person is very intelligent and understandable to understand the situation, of course that person would try to create a distance from this lady, and of course this way the relationship breaks, because this lady has to learn how to maintain the relationships, because this inferiority complex creating jealousy within oneself, and creating others jealous about oneself, or this kind of negative things when one perform, no one likes, any sensible people would not like this. So thus what happens, distance is created and relationships break this way. So next thing is, people in with inferiority complex show their power, that they are so much powerful, they are so much educated, etc. So once when you come in contact with these persons and continue a relationship with this with such kind of with such kind of people, you will get to understand their real nature, and of course you will be dragged away from them, because you yourself will drag away from them, because you won't like this kind of negative attitudes, because these people have so much insecurity within one themselves, and they tend to show their hostile behavior when it's time to show their actual friendship, but they show their hostile behavior, and this way they create the power, imaginary power that they have built in their mind, and they try to show those other persons who they think that these are the powerful persons and we are not, and we have to show our power, otherwise we will be dumped, and this kind of all imaginary thoughts these people have, and so thus it affects relationship in various ways. So another thing what I have experienced in my life, few people are there, they always try to create authority because they don't have anything to say in their life. They will copy others ideas and would try to show it that we don't do this, we don't do that, this is what our idea is. The good things that they will see, they will try to show that this is how what we are doing, this is what we are not doing, and the bad things they will try to put on others, shoulders. So these are few kinds of how people behave in inferiority complex, and how it affects the relationships, because mostly there you cannot find any good effects on the relationship. Of course, obviously you will find all the bad effects and negative effects. So try to stay away from people who have this kind of traits, this kind of negative feelings you find, people who are creating jealous, creating others jealous of themselves, showing their stuffs, their good things, etc., etc. And maybe they can make you feel jealous of their good life, good things, good materials, good stuffs, anything, good power, good positions, whatever. So I hope this was clear to you all, as I have given you the proper guide of how inferiority complex creates a relationship a mess, and thus relationship breaks. So of course it would help you in your life if you try to follow this and learn from this video. So friends, here today I'll be winding up, so we'll definitely come up with some new videos. So thank you for today, and bye bye, love you all.